In this video, I will show you how you can change your domain on Vercel. So it's very easy. So let's say I have this simple math body. So if I click on this domain from Vercel, it will open my calculator. And let's say you want to change this domain, so this URL address. So you can change it by clicking on your project in Vercel. Then you want to click on domains on the left side. And from here you have two options. If you already have existing domain, like you have, let's say, Hostinger, GoDaddy, or Namecheap, you can connect it by clicking Add Existing. But if you don't have domain, you can either buy it. So if I click Buy, then you can search for, let's say, I want this domain, and it will show you all available domains with your name. So you have this .me for $12, and you can buy domains from here. And I already have domain, so I will show you how you can connect it. So I will click on Add Existing, and I have a Hostinger domain right here. I will click on Copy my domain. I will paste it in and just select it. Make sure to check this if you want to redirect from this to this URL. I mean, it's recommended, so you can keep it, and then click Save. And now we just need to configure our DNS records in Hostinger or your domain provider. It's same for all providers. So you just have to add those two records. So the first one is A. This is the name and this is the value of the record. So I will copy the record. And you want to find the DNS settings in your provider. So I have Hostinger. So if I click on domain, then DNS name servers, it will redirect me here where I can manage my DNS records, and I can also add them from here. So the first one was A. You want to choose type as A, name is this symbol, and points to is the value which you copied. Then click Add Record. DNS record created successfully. Now we can copy the second one. So I will copy the value. Name is www and the type is CNAME. So I will choose CNAME as a type. Name is www. Target is this value. Add record. And now once our records are added, we can go back to Vercel and you can try to click on refresh. And as you can see, the second one is already checked and it's generating SSL certificate. So it's going to be secured and you just need to wait for that, but it's successful. And the first one is also checked. So we are just currently waiting for this SSL certificate until it's done. So this is going to take a couple of minutes. So if we go back to overview, as you can see, we have this custom domain here added. So this is how you can change your domain on Vercel. If I open it, you can see our calculator is now currently on this domain. So this is how you can change your domain on Vercel. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.